Welcome to Rhyme Twinklers.
We're so glad you came to play. Let's rhyme and sparkle all day.
In a quiet little pond, there lived a small turtle named Timmy.
Hi, everyone.
Timmy was kind and thoughtful, but sometimes he felt a little different from the others. The rabbits were fast, the frogs could leap high, the fish swam like lightning. Timmy watched them and sighed. I wish I was fast like them, he thought. One sunny morning, Mayor Frog made a big announcement. Today is the Great Pond Obstacle Race. Everyone is welcome.
Invited.
The animals cheered with excitement, but Timmy felt nervous. I'm too slow. I'll never win, he whispered. Just then, his friend Lily the duck waddled over. You don't have to win, Timmy, she said kindly.
Just try your best.
Just try your best. Timmy took a deep breath. Maybe I can try. The race began. The rabbit sprinted ahead. The frog leaped across lily pads, and Timmy walked, step by step. When he reached the muddy hill, he slept, but he didn't stop. I won't quit, Timmy said bravely. Slowly, carefully, he kept going. The crowd began to cheer. Go, Timmy! And at last, Timmy crossed the finish line. He didn't come in first, but he didn't give up. Mayor Frog stepped forward with a smile. For bravery and trying your best, Timmy wins the Golden Shell Award. Timmy blinked in surprise. Really? Me? Yes, him. Because sometimes the biggest victory isn't about being the fastest, it's about being brave enough to try. And from that day on, Timmy walked a little taller because he learned something important. Trying your best is the greatest win of all.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and turn on notifications.